And as we get to the Swami's got his hand like this, resting his chin on his arm, and the arm, his elbows on the edge of the chair. And as we sing this, Swami's head goes like this, and it's just this look on his face. Loving Sai Ram to one and all. It's Christmas time, so I'd like to share a little incident in my life with Christmas. I'd like to go back to an incident. It happened to be a September, and I was walking through a very big supermarket, probably about this, almost the size of the Saiku Wantol. And I was thinking how incredible it would be to be able to be at Swami's lotus feet and sing the song, that famous song, the Hallelujah chorus, Lord of Lords and King of Kings. And as I was thinking this, all of a sudden I started playing on the PA system. Now this is not kind of music that you have in a shopping center. And of course, if it's Christmas and people are tired of Christmas carols, I can understand, yes, maybe we pick at Handel's Hallelujah chorus. But for those in India, you will know that this time of the year is the time of Pitapak, it's the time of Pratasi. And in South Africa, it's in the middle of nowhere. And because the thought had come out, and all of a sudden I started playing instantaneously as the thought arose, the tears just started coming down. I'm saying, Swami, wow, I just thought, and yeah, you're putting on the Hallelujah chorus. And I'm standing with my hands on the trolley handle like this, and the tears are rolling down and they're falling onto my shirt. And the people are walking past and they're looking at me. I didn't mind. I think you've got your problems, I got mine. Mine's a divine problem. It's so beautiful that Swami's actually responded. It's so incredible. It so happened that Swami had chosen to go to Whitefield after 17 years for Christmas for 2000, the big, great millennium after 2,000 years after the birth of Christ. And everybody thought that the crowd was so big that Swami would be going back to Puttapati. So Arthur Hillcott and some of the team came back to Puttapati to start putting up the decorations, making arrangements for Christmas in Prashanti. But Swami had other ideas. One day he turned around and he said, where's Arthur? He said, no, Arthur's preparing for Christmas in Puttapati. He said, no, but Christmas is in Whitefield. And then they had to phone them, they had to start taking down the decorations, they had to bring the decorations, pack them, and put them in a truck, and bring them back to Puttapati. So it was fabulous being in a situation where we could spend Christmas at Puttapati, closer, more intimate. Of course, it was a very, very big crowd. And we sat in the hall there next to the Ramesh hall, the Ramesh area for darshan, and we sat in a half circle as is traditional for choir. And I sat at the very back. One of my tasks was to keep the register. So I looked after the register, all the people coming and going. As they came in, I learned their names, which paid very big dividends, as I'll explain a little bit later. Got to know them all personally at a particular level. And it seemed quite peculiar that Swami had called all these particular people. All of them, each one of them had amazing stories of their own. Two of them had gone to the hospital. The hospital was being built, the super speciality hadn't been inaugurated. It was inaugurated on the 19th of January, about two to 3 weeks later. And the two of them had heard about this hospital and they wanted to have a look at it. And there they were standing, just the two of them, and Swami's car came. Just this one car with the driver and Swami. And Swami came in, the gates is a special gate, gate 4, which they keep for Swami. Today we use gate 3 when we go in as devotees, to go in there for the people going for medical treatment. Swami came in his gate 4. He went around the circle, around the front by the foyer there, and straight out. And the two boys just lifted up their hands. And Swami just looked at them, raised his one hand, smiled at them, and drove right out. It looked like special that Swami went there just for these two boys to be at this particular place. So all the people had these incredible stories. And there was this peculiar phenomenon. When I took a step out of the half circle where we sat with the choir master at the front of the stage, and we sat like this, and I sat at the back over here, as I say, to take the register so that I could mark the boys, the men present as they came. As you broke out, the choir was absolutely perfect. You couldn't hear a note out of place. Even from the first day, it sounded like a professional choir was singing. And I'm thinking, wait a minute, this is a bit strange. Are my ears playing tricks? And I stepped back into the half circle, and there was your well. Too fast, too high. And it just makes the song not that pleasant. Something. Step back out, perfect. Step back in, and you could hear hundreds of mistakes. So one by one, I would pull the boys out. I said, nudge Kobus over there. I need Kobus, you see. Then I call Kobus, and I say to him, I want you to see something. I want you to tell me if this is happening or not. For them to be able to experience this, the reason. So, by this stage, I knew 100% that it was happening so beautifully. I'd say, what do you think the choir sounds like? Oh, it sounds amazing. I said, now, go and stand over there where I normally sit, and I want you to listen. And then he'd go there, and it's like you see this confusion come over his face, because all of a sudden it immediately became terrible. Then I tap him on the shoulder, so step out of that half circle, and he stepped out, once again perfect. So this started going around, this peculiar lila. Right? So on the night we sang pretty well, I've got to tell you. But there was some kind of editing that happened daily with each choir practice. And of course, he made it truly magnificent on the night we sang. We sang very well, but he made it truly magnificent on the night we sang. And one of the incidents that lives in my heart is we had a song, and in the song we asked Swami to go and bless all the world, all the beings, all the world, and all the universe. And this is in the last verse of the song. And we singing to Swami. And as we get to this, Swami's got his hand like this, resting his chin on his arm, and his elbows on the edge of the chair. And as we sing this, Swami's head goes like this, and it's just this look on his face. And it's like he's gone. It's like he's now busy around the universe doing this blessing for everybody in the universe. And we finish the song. And we do the next song, and Swami still hasn't come back. He's still out of town. And we finish the program, and everybody's sitting in silence, and we're just looking at Swami. And the divine sweetness of this, what can I say? This, like, I apologize for keeping you waiting. You know what I mean? It's like I just had to bless the universe quickly. I just wanted to run up and grab Swami. It was just so lovable, so adorable. It was just so truly amazing to have this particular experience. Every song, Swami will pick up the program as we start the song, and he'd look at it intently, put down the program and enjoy it. And this is how we sang to Swami. And at the end of this particular period was thunderous applause. And I knew it sounded much better than we were capable of. And when we came out, we had Christmas dinner. It was the 24th, in the hall where we practiced. And there was this face coming towards me, this big face with this incredible smile, almost wrapping around his ears, this glowing face. And I'm thinking, that face is very familiar. I'm just trying to think who it is. Because the smile was so big and so radiant, it took me a while to register. It was actually the warden. And he came, and he grabbed my hand, and he pumped my hand. And he said, Swami was so happy. Swami was so happy. And he said, all the boys had gone into Trai, and the boys were with Swami for an hour. And he said, what had actually happened is that Swami spent 45 minutes speaking about the devotion from the boys, the people in the choir. And he said, Swami was just so happy with you people. And then afterwards I saw Neil Kumar, and Neil Kumar came up to me, shook my hand. I seemed to be this figure representing like the choir. I was the worst performer there out of the lot. And he said, our boys always sing so good for Christmas. He says, but this year, the Western choir, he said, we couldn't touch you guys. And I know it wasn't us. I know Swami had done this incredible job of making us all like super professional singers. And it was this beautiful, everybody was on a high. We were on a high for days. And one of the things that after we'd finished in the choir, moved to the next day, the next couple of days, every day the Sevadals who get the lines to go into darshan say, choir queue, choir queue. So they'd line up the choir queue. On the men's side, they'd line up the choir queue. Now this, we've never experienced this before. And what would actually happen was, it was still happening. The students would go in first, we sit behind the students, and then all the VIPs would sit behind us, which is actually quite peculiar. On the ladies' side, the ladies' choir sat in front of the VIP ladies, and it stayed like this all the way until it was actually time to leave, and Swami had come back to Puttaparthi. So 2 days later we left and we came back. And it was amazing to know that this person who wanted to sing the Hallelujah chorus, one of the songs had the Hallelujah chorus, God of gods, Lord of lords. Okay. And I cried like a baby while this was being sung. And that was Christmas in Whitefield. It was such a truly amazing experience.
गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पतान् शृण्वन्नोतिभिस्सेदसादनं प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजिनीवती धेनामवित्रयवतु गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः सहस्रशीर्षं देवं विश्वाक्षं विश्वशम्भुवं विश्वं नारायणं देवमक्षरं परमं परं विश्वतापरमानित्यं विश्वं नारायणगुं हरिं विश्वमेवेदं पुरुषस्तद्विश्वम् उपजीवति पतिं विश्वस्यात्मेश्वरगुं शाश्वतगुं शिवमच्युतं नारायणं महानेयं विश्वात्मानं परायणं नारायण परो ज्योतिरात्मा नारायणः परः नारायण परं ब्रह्म तत्त्वं नारायणः परः नारायण परो ध्याता ध्यानं नारायणः परः यच्च किञ्चित् जगत् सर्वं दृश्यते श्रूयतेऽपि वा अन्तर्बहिश्च तत्सर्वं व्यापनारायणस्थितः अनन्तमव्ययं कविगुं समुद्रे तं विश्वशम्भुवम् पद्मकोशा प्रतीकासगुं हृदयं चाप्यधोमुखम् अधो निष्ट्या वितस्त्यान्ते नाभ्यामुपरि तिष्ठति ज्वालमालाकुलं भाति विश्वस्यायतनुं महत् सन्ततगुं शिलाभिष्टुलम्बत्यकोशसन्निभम् तस्यान्ते सुशिरगुं सूक्ष्मं तस्मिन् सर्वं प्रतिष्ठितम् तस्य मध्ये महा अग्निर्विश्वाचिर्विश्वतोमुखः सोऽघ्रभुग्विभजन् दिष्टन्नाहारमजरः कविः तिर्यघुत्वा मदसायि रश्मयस्तस्य सन्ततां सन्तपयति स्वं देहम् आपादतलमस्तकः तस्य मध्ये भनिशिखा अनिर्योद्वा व्यवस्थितः नीलतो यदमध्यष्टद्विद्युलेकेव भास्वरां नीवारसूकवत्तन्विपीताभास्वत्यनुपमां तस्याः शिखायां मध्ये परमात्मा व्यवस्थितः स ब्रह्म स शिवः स हरिसेन्द्र सोऽक्षर परमस्वराट् ॐ शान्ति 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 निधनपतये नमः निधनपतान्तिकाय नमः ऊर्ध्वाय नमः ऊर्ध्वलिङ्गाय नमः हिरण्याय नमः हिरण्यलिङ्गाय नमः सुवर्णाय नमः सुवर्णलिङ्गाय नमः दिव्याय नमः दिव्यलिङ्गाय नमः भवाय नमः भवलिङ्गाय नमः सर्वाय नमः सर्वलिङ्गाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवलिङ्गाय नमः ज्वालाय नमः ज्वाललिङ्गाय नमः आत्माय नमः आत्मलिङ्गाय नमः परमाय नमः परमलिङ्गाय नमः एतत्सोमस्य सूर्यस्य सर्वलिङ्गगस्तापायति पानिमन्त्रं पवित्रं सत्यो जातं प्रपद्यामि सत्यो जाताय वै नमो नमः भवे भवेनाति भवे भवस्व मां भवोर्भवाय नमः वामदेवाय नमो ज्येष्ठाय नमः श्रेष्ठाय नमो रुद्राय नमः कालाय नमः कलविकरणाय नमो बलविकरणाय नमो बलाय नमो बलप्रमतनाय नमः सर्वभूतदमनाय नमो मनोन्मनाय नमः अघोरेभ्यो थघोरेभ्यो घोरघोरतरेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यो नमस्ते अस्तु रुद्ररूपेभ्यः तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्रः प्रचोदयात् ईशानः सर्वविद्यानाम् ईश्वरः सर्वभूतानां ब्रह्माधिपते ब्रह्मणोऽधिपते ब्रह्मा शिवो मे अस्तु सदा शिवो नमो हिरण्यबाहवे हिरण्यवर्णाय हिरण्यरूपाय हिरण्यपतये अम्बिकापतये उमापतये पशुपतये नमो नमः ॐ शान्ति 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 मेधादेवेजुसमानानागात् विश्वाचि भद्रासु मनश्यमानां तयाजुस्तानुधमाना दुरुक्तान् बृहद्वदेम विरते सुवीरान् त्वयाजुस्तारिषिर्भवति देवि त्वया ब्रह्मा गतश्रीरुथ त्वयाजुस्तश्चित्रं विन्दते वसुसानु जुषस्वाद्रविणो न मेदे मेधामयीन्द्रो ददातु मेधां देवी सरस्वतीं मेधा मे अश्विनव उभावाधत्तां पुष्करस्रजाम् अप्सरासु चया मेधा गन्धर्वे सुचयन्मनः दैवीं मेधा सरस्वती सा मां मेधासुरभिर्जुषतागुं स्वाहा आमां मेधासुरभिः विश्वरूपा हिरण्यवर्णा जगते जगम्याम् ऊर्जस्वती पयसा पिन्वमाना सा मां मेधा सुप्रत्येकाजुषन्तां मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि अग्निस्तेजो ददातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि इन्द्रियं ददातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि सूर्यो व्राजो ददातु हंसाय विद्महे परमहंसाय धीमहि तन्नो हंसः प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः विष्णोर्नुकं वीर्याणि प्रवोचं यः पर्तिवानि विममे रजागुंसि यो अस्कबायदुत्तरगुं सदस्तं विचक्रमानस्त्रेडोरुगायः तदस्य प्रियमपि पातो अस्यां नरो यात्र देवयवो मदन्ति उरुक्रमस्य सैबन्धुरित्तां विष्णो परे परमे मत्व उत्साहं प्रतद्विष्णुस्तवते वीर्याय मृगो न भीमा कुचरो गिरिस्तां यस्योरुषो त्रिषु विक्रमणेषु अधिक्षयन्ति भुवनानि विश्वां परो मात्रया तनुवावृदानं नाते महित्वा मन्वस्नुवन्ति उभेते विद्मरजसे पृथिव्या विष्णो देवत्वं परमस्य वित्से विचक्रमे पृथिवीमेष एतां क्षेत्राय विष्णोर्मनुषेदसस्यन् ध्रुवासु अस्य कीरयोजना सह उरुक्षितिगुं सुजनिमाचकार तिर्देवा पृथिवीमेष एतां विचक्रमे सतर्चसं महित्वा प्रविष्णुरस्तु त्ववसस्तवेयान् त्वे सा गत्यस्य स्तविरस्य नामाम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः नीलादेवी गुं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये घृणाहिं घृतवतीर्सवितराधिपत्ये पयस्वतिरन्तिराशानो अस्तु ध्रुवादिशां विष्णुपत्यघोरा शेषानः सहसो यामनोतां बृहस्पतिर्मातरिस्वोतवायु सन्दुवाना वाता अभिनो गृह्णन्तु विष्टम्बो दिवो धरुणः पृथिव्या अशेषाना जगतो विष्णुपत्नीम् ॐ ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महेशां। को ब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं। समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
मन मंदिर में आवो साई, मन मंदिर में आवो साई, साई भगवान दर्श दिखाओ, साई भगवान साई भगवान दर्शन दिखाओ। साई भगवान दर्शन दिखाओ। मन मंदिर में आओ साई, साई भगवान दर्शन दिखाओ। सदा निरंतर भज साई राम, गिरिधर नागर नतवर्षा। साई भगवान दर्शन दिखाओ। साई भगवान दर्शन दिखाओ। मन मंदिर में आओ साई,
साक्षात परब्रह्म साई, गुरुवंदना सत्य साई। साक्षात परब्रह्म साई, गुरुवंदना सत्य साई। गुरुपद रंजन गुरु परमेशा, गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु महेशा। सद्गुरु साई परति पुरीशा, सद्गुरु साई परति पुरीशा। शरण नमोस्तुते साई महेशा। शरण नमोस्तुते साई महेशा। साक्षात परब्रह्म साई, गुरुवंदना सत्य साई। गुरुपद रंजन गुरु परमेशा, गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु महेशा। शरण नमोस्तुते साई महेशा शरण नमोस्तुते साई महेशा साक्षात परब्रह्म साई गुरुवंदना सत्य साई।
साई है जीवन जीवन सत्य साई। साई है जीवन जीवन सत्य साई। साई मेरा जीवन सहारा। साई मेरा जीवन सहारा। साई है जीवन जीवन सत्य साई। तेरे बिना साई सब है अंधेरा। तेरे बिना साई सब है अंधेरा। पार करो मेरे जीवन नैया। पार करो मेरे जीवन नैया। चरण लगा लो मुझे साई कन्हैया। चरण लगा लो मुझे साई कन्हैया। साई है जीवन जीवन सत्य साई। साई मेरा जीवन सहारा। साई है जीवन जीवन सत्य साई। तेरे बिना साई सब है अंधेरा। पार करो मेरे जीवन नैया। चरण लगा लो मुझे साई कन्हैया। चरण लगा लो मुझे साई कन्हैया। साई है जीवन जीवन सत्य साई।
राधे गोविंद कृष्ण मुरारी। जय साई मुकुंद मुरारी।
जय जय साई नमो जय शुभदाई नमो जय जय साई नमो जय शुभदाई नमो जय गोविंद जय गोपाल जय महादेव नमो जय गोविंद जय गोपाल जय महादेव नमो जय जय साई नमो जय शुभदाई नमो अभयप्रदाता विश्वविधाता अभयप्रदाता विश्वविधाता जगदोधार नमो जगदोधार नमो जय शिवदीशा जय पतीशा जय परमेश नमो जय शिवदीशा जय पतीशा जय परमेश नमो जय जय साई नमो जय शुभदाई नमो जय गोविंद जय गोपाल जय महादेव नमो जय जय साई नमो जय शुभदाई नमो अभयप्रदाता विश्वविधाता जगदोधार नमो जय शिवदीशा जय पतीशा जय परमेश नमो जय शिवदीशा जय पतीशा जय परमेश नमो जय जय साई नमो जय शुभदाई नमो
पांडुरंग विठ्ठला जय पंढरीनाथा विठ्ठला पांडुरंग विठ्ठला जय पंढरीनाथा विठ्ठला पांडुरंग विठ्ठला जय पुंडरीकाक्षा विठ्ठला पांडुरंग जय विठ्ठला जय रघुमाई विठ्ठला विठ्ठला जय रघुमाई विठ्ठला पांडुरंग विठ्ठला जय पंढरीनाथा विठ्ठला
अयोध्यावासी राम है द्वारक में आए अयोध्यावासी राम है द्वारक में आए द्वारकवासी श्याम है शिरडी में आए द्वारकवासी श्याम है शिरडी में आए शिरडीवासी राम है पति सत्य साई शिरडीवासी श्याम है पति सत्य साई बोलो राम बोलो राम बोलो सत्य साई राम बोलो राम बोलो राम बोलो सत्य साई राम अयोध्यावासी राम है द्वारक में आए द्वारकवासी श्याम है शिरडी में आए शिरडीवासी श्याम है पति सत्य साई बोलो राम बोलो राम बोलो सत्य साई राम बोलो राम बोलो राम बोलो सत्य साई राम अयोध्यावासी राम है द्वारक में आए
साईनाथ भगवान साईनाथ
देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात् ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात् ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति
Om Sai Ram, Bhagavan's counsel today. It is not the creeds that men profess, whether Christianity or Islam or other religion, which lend value to their lives. The highest value is the fact of their humanness. All faiths combine to invest men with a unique effulgence. The various talents with which man is endowed should be used for good purposes, the basis that individual good is linked to social well-being. Man today has to go through transformation at 3 levels. First and foremost is spiritual transformation. Second comes the transformation in the attitude towards society. The third change is at the individual level. When spiritual transformation takes place, there is an automatic change in the attitude towards society. When society becomes harmonious and prosperous, the individual also changes. This threefold transformation is implicit in the name of Sai. S stands for spiritual change, the A for association change. This is the change in one's relationships with others in society. The I stands for individual change. This triple transformation is what Sai desires. Jai Sai Ram. And now we shall offer Mangala Arati to Bhagavan.
ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतीका आश्रित कल्पलतीका आपदार्णवा ओम जय जगदीश हरे माता पिता गुरु
शान्तिः समस्तलोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोका सुखिनो भवन्तु शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।